Hey everyone, and welcome to another deep dive. We're going to get into AI coins today,
AI coins, exactly.
using some recent market trends
Hmm.
as a way to sort of guide our discussion.
Yeah,
So think of it as like your shortcut to understanding what's hot, what's not, what's moving, what's not.
absolutely. And, we'll go a little beyond just the headlines
Yeah,
and the price ticker, right? And
yeah.
really try to uncover what are the forces that are driving the market and help you as a listener discern, what are the real opportunities and what's just hype.
Exactly. Yeah, and our source material for this deep dive is an analysis of AI coin performance just over the past week.
Yeah.
And one of the things that was really fascinating is that even though everybody's talking about AI and everything AI, the sector actually shrank slightly overall over the last week, and it lagged behind the general crypto market.
Yeah, that's a really great point. I think what we're seeing is that investors are becoming more discerning. Early on, any project that had the label AI saw a surge, but now people are demanding more than just a catchy label. They want to see real world applications. They want to see tangible results like successful product launches or partnerships. And they're looking for signs of, sustainable growth.
So it's like the honeymoon's over.
Exactly.
And now it's like, okay, show me the money, right?
Right, show me what you got. And this shift in sentiment is really reflected in the performance of some individual coins. So, for example, take a look at Akash Network, that's AKT, and AIOZ Network, that's AIOZ. These two have actually gone against the grain and shown some pretty impressive gains this week.
Interesting. So what do you think is driving their success? What's going on there?
Well, both of these projects are kind of carving out these very specific niches within this vast AI landscape. So Akash Network is building this decentralized cloud computing marketplace,
Okay.
and they leverage blockchain technology to connect users with providers of computing power. So really interesting use case there. And then you have AIOZ Network, and they focus on video streaming and content delivery.
Okay.
They use AI to optimize bandwidth and reduce latency.
So it seems like they're not just riding the AI wave. They're actually like solving problems, right?
Exactly. They're providing solutions and investors are responding to that.
Right.
Now, on the other side of the coin, we see some more established players like Bit&Soar, that's TAO, and Fetch.ai, that's FET, and they're experiencing a bit of a downturn this week.
So is that just a temporary blip, or could it be signaling something a little bit bigger, a little bit more?
Yeah, it's something to watch for sure. Bit&Soar, their aim is to create a decentralized AI network, and Fetch.ai, they focus on building these autonomous economic agents that are powered by AI. Both of these projects, they have strong foundations,
Yeah.
but the AI landscape is so dynamic, it's evolving so rapidly that these projects need to demonstrate continuous innovation,
Yeah.
and they need to effectively communicate their value proposition to keep investors engaged and excited.
So let's shift gears a little bit and talk about some smaller players that are making some pretty big waves. Humans.ai, that's Heart, and Nosana. Nosana have seen some, pretty significant gains. What makes them stand out? And do you think this is an opportunity for, maybe investors who are looking for those high growth investments?
Yeah, Humans.ai, really interesting project. They're focusing on ethical AI development.
Okay.
And they're using blockchain to try to ensure transparency and accountability in how AI models are built and used.
Interesting.
And then you have Nosana, and they're providing decentralized infrastructure for running Web3 applications. And they leverage AI to optimize performance and scalability.
Okay.
So both of these projects really represent exciting developments in the AI and blockchain space.
Yeah,
But it's important to remember that higher potential returns often come with higher risk.
absolutely. It's like navigating uncharted territory,
Exactly. You've got to be prepared for the bumps along the way.
right? Bumps are going to happen.
Yeah. And speaking of navigating volatile landscapes, you remember those AI-themed meme coins?
Oh, yeah.
Like Goatseus Maximus Goaten?
Yeah, Goatseus, what a name.
And then there was Shegen. These were everywhere on social media for a little while.
Yeah, the hype was intense.
So what happened there? Well, their initial surge was really driven more by, social media trends and that speculative frenzy than any real underlying value.
Right.
And then as the novelty wore off and the market kind of underwent this correction, meaning that prices adjusted to reflect maybe a little bit more of a realistic valuation, these meme coins saw their values plummet.
Yeah.
And this just really highlights the importance of looking beyond the hype,
Yeah.
understanding the fundamentals of a project before you invest.
Absolutely. Due diligence is so important.
It really is.
So let's take a step back and look at the big picture here. What are some of the key trends you should be aware of in the AI coin market?
I think the main takeaway is that the AI coin market is maturing.
Yeah.
That initial, almost blind enthusiasm is giving way to a more discerning investor base that's looking for substance over speculation.
They want to see the receipts.
Exactly. And so regulation, technological advancements, and real-world adoption, those are the key factors to watch closely,
Yeah.
because these are the things that will ultimately determine which projects thrive and which ones fade away.
So much to consider. It's a lot.
It is.
So based on everything that we've talked about today,
Right.
what's one AI coin that you'd recommend maybe keeping an eye on in the coming weeks?
That's a tough question.
Yeah.
But if I had to pick one based on its recent performance and the potential of this whole ethical AI focus, I would say humans.ai heart is definitely one to watch.
That's a great insight. And remember, this is just the beginning of your AI journey, folks.
That's right.
There's always more to explore and more to discover. Happy investing, everybody.
The happy investing.
We'll catch you next time.
See ya.